We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we shows how to create stair in Revit. Stairs are a series of steps properly arranged to connect different floors of a building. Before going to this video, just spend a few minutes to learn the technical terms of the stairs. Baluster. It is vertical member of wood or metal supporting the handrail. Handrail. The inclined rail over the string is known as a handrail. Post. This is the vertical member which is placed at the end of the flight to connect the handrail. Thread. A staircase thread is the physical step of a staircase where your foot is placed. Riser. The vertical dimensions from one thread to the next. Nosing. The overhang at the front of the thread. This is normally 20 mm. Modern staircases often omit the overhang for a cleaner look. Stringer. The sides of the stairs. There are two basic shapes, full stringer and cut stringer. Landing. An intermediate floor or platform between flights of stairs. Landings permit directional changes in stair travel. Could be half landing or 1/4 landing. For showing stair tool, here I am opening a plinth level in floor plan of a building. The stair tool is on architectural toolbar. Click on the architectural toolbar. The stair tool is on architectural toolbar. We can see the stair tool on circulation panel. Just click on the stair by component icon. In Revit, different stair components are available. For this example, we are choosing straight stair component. For editing, we have to go to property box. Here we can see different types of stairs from the drop down list. We should select 190 mm maximum riser to 50 mm going stair. We have to go to property box. Under constraint panel, we can set the base level and top level of the stair. Here I am giving the base level as plinth and top level as level 2. Here we create the level 2 at 300 cm height. So here we can see the desired stair height will be 300. Next we give desired number of risers. Here I am giving 17. In a single flight, maximum we have 12 number of steps. This is the actual riser height. Means desired stair height by desired number of risers. That is 300 by 17 is equal to 17.65. This value in the range of 15 to 18. This is automatically created by Revit. Next is actual thread depth. Actual thread depth means this distance. This value range between 25 to 30. Here I am giving 25. Next, actual run width. Actual run width means this distance. It's range between 90 to 120. Here I am giving 90. After all the settings, we can start to draw. Click on finish button. You can see the stairs that we drawn. Thank you for watching this video.